An engine misfire happens when one or more cylinders fail to ignite properly. This results in rough idling, vibrations, or even a popping sound from the exhaust. Common causes? Let's start with the ignition system, worn spark plugs or failing ignition coils. Fuel issues are also a culprit. Clogged injectors or a faulty fuel pump can lead to misfires. Malfunctioning sensors like the oxygen sensor or mass airflow sensor also play a role. Lastly, mechanical issues like worn valve seals or low compression can cause misfires too. Symptoms? Look for rough idling, decreased power, and a check engine light. A misfiring engine also leads to reduced fuel economy. Regular maintenance can help prevent misfires and keep your engine running smoothly.